Hi guys, so today I have a mini sticker haul for you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. So first is this macaron sticker. So I'll show you what's inside. And this is very expensive. It's $5 for one packet like this. But it comes with a lollipop keychain, this kind of capsule stickers, but these capsule stickers doesn't have beads or water in them, so they're just like plastic kind, and some sticker flakes over here. So maybe I'll buy this for Abby, or maybe I don't know. So yeah, but these are pretty expensive. So yeah. And I bought it in a new shopping mall in Singapore, and people said that shopping mall is considered the biggest shopping mall in Singapore, but I don't think so. So yeah. Then next I got this sticker. So it's like this sweet cooking one. It says funny sticker world, and this is like the factory, I think, making the cupcakes, cream puff, puddings, donuts and gingerbread cakes and macaron. So I'll make another video of this making 3D stickers, but these are like a little bit of 3D already. I don't think you can see, right? So yeah. So this is the one, and this is $2.40. So this is the shop of where I bought these two stickers, sorry. And yeah, it's in a new shopping center called Gem. Very weird name, I know. And I was surprised to find Fua Fua over there as well. So I'll be getting that for my birthday present. So I'm really excited. So yeah, this is my mini sticker haul for you guys, and bye! Thanks for watching!